तो जस्ट टू स्टार्ट विद, आपका तो पहले जो एक औरंगाबाद का सफर रहा है, तो वो हाउ वाज इट, एंड देन मतलब क्या आपका वहाँ एक्सपीरियंस रहा, फिर वहां से जब आप यूएस आए तो ओवरऑल आपके चैलेंजेस क्या रहे, मतलब अगर आप इफ यू टॉक अबाउट औरंगाबाद, and then what were the motivation factors that put you in the place where you could settle in US?
सबसे पहले जज़ाकल्लाह आपका, आप that was a very very kind introduction, glorified to a certain extent, but that I yeah, but आप लोग हैं जो that are doing great work. Let me start with just a simple background and my journey, and then that kind of ropes in Aurangabad into it. तो मैं ओरिजिनली मैसूर से हूँ,
जी,
and grew up in a small town between Bangalore and Mysore called Mandya, with all the small town feel.
जी,
And did my engineering in NITK. It's called NITK. Previously, it was called REC Surathkal. वहाँ पे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे थे, करके got out. Then family had started to move from India to US. My brother and sister had already come to US. So I also came down here to study. But my undergrad was mechanical engineering, master's was computer science.
जी,
So after masters in computer science, this was in '94. That year is very significant because '94 was the year when Netscape. I don't know if many people don't know, Netscape was launched
जी,
in Silicon Valley here, and it started the internet boom, right? 94 to 2000 was the 2000, 2002 was the internet boom. So during that time, I did the usual Silicon Valley route. Worked in small companies. I worked in Netscape too. I was one of the early people in Netscape, and I worked actually not on the browser side, but on this internet commerce, first internet commerce server that Netscape was putting together. Anyway, to wahan se ended up in Oracle, was doing software development in Oracle. Even though I had alhamdulillah a very good career through this, but it never that talab jo thi na ki it was never mine. I was fairly, I can say, looking back, fairly successful in my work and had progress and all of those things, but it never felt mine. So and I'll connect all these points that I'm marking here to some of the things that we're inshallah going to go talk in future. There was at that time 2002 technology crash was fairly significant for all of us. हम लोगों को वो जो slowdown आया, तो at that time all the development jobs were moving to India. I actually helped set up in Oracle development in Hyderabad, and grew the team from like 2, 3, 4 people to 400 people at that time. So we started to see our career paths. If you want to be successful and grow, you have to go back to India, and the workflows and how the setups were all just people were figuring out. We thought you have to go back to India and be there, and then you'll start reporting to people in India, kind of stuff. So in 2004, I said I asked, with layoffs were going on, I had asked my manager repeatedly to lay me off. I
जी,
used to go to him and tell him, can you put my name on the list, and can I get the layoff so that I can get a severance package and then I can go start on my own. पहला ले ऑफ हुआ, रिक्वेस्ट किया था, वेट किया, कॉल नहीं आया, ले ऑफ नहीं हुआ, आई वाज देयर। दूसरा ले ऑफ आया, फिर रिक्वेस्ट किया 2-3 महीने बाद। ये 2-3 साल का जर्नी, 2 साल की जर्नी थी। 1.5 साल की जर्नी थी। आई यूज्ड टू वेट, कॉल, ही वुड से तीसरा ले ऑफ आया, ही इज गारंटीड दैट आई विल बी ऑन द लिस्ट और मुझे ले ऑफ कर देंगे। नहीं हुआ। फोर्थ, when the fourth layoff came in 2004, he said, definitely your name is there, wait for the call, they will call you and they'll let you go. And from 9 in the morning till 4 in the evening, I waited. I did not. He said, call phir nahi aaya. So I walked into his office. He said, what happened? He said, I cannot let you go. You are a manager. If you are a manager, then if I let a manager go, I won't get a manager position open again. So I resigned at the same time and I walked out, even though my options were, this was June 30th of 2004, even though my options were on July 6th, another major chunk of my options would have vested, and I would have, gotten some more significant amount of money. I had just walked out of that. Anyway, तब शुरू किए थे, and I had a partner. He's still in Aurangabad. Excelize बोल के एक company है औरंगाबाद में. So I was the first co-founder of Excelize. Also, so we started to say, we thought we'll get software jobs and software projects, and we'll do software projects and software jobs. And lo and behold, 2 engineers with no sales and marketing background thought we can just walk into the companies and get the projects, because we have set up companies in India, we teams in India, we know how it needs to be done, we can do this. And वो करने के बाद went on knocking on the doors for 8-9 months, and we got literally zero project. The first project that we got was some data entry project where we were sitting down and doing data entry for some companies here for restoration hardware, as a matter of fact, for the year. Anyway, long story short, दिसंबर का जब टाइम आया तो कोई काम नहीं था. We were kind of फाखा चलना शुरू हो गया था तब, right? So somebody called us for a year-end party. We showed up. क्या करें? तो वहाँ पे किसी ने आके कहा कि we are. This is 2004 when the housing boom had just started in US, and housing had started. So a architectural company a guy came and said, we can't keep up. Will you help set up an operation in India for us to do architectural design, right? Architectural drawings. We wouldn't let him go in the party. Uske piche ghumte the, jab tak ye kare. And we signed him up, and we did got him to going and all that stuff. And पूरा करने के बाद देखा कि आर्किटेक्ट है क्या, आर्किटेक्ट्स करते क्या है, ड्राइंग्स क्या होते हैं. We had no clue any of that.
I'll just here कि इसमें जो takeaway है वो यही है कि you have to continuously keep knocking the door.
Yes.
जैसे आप बता रहे थे कि you started with आप जो IT से related jobs projects लेना चाहते थे, आप कुछ करना चाहते थे उसमें. But then ऐसे हुआ कि वो घूमकर आपको वो यू एंड अप विद ये
Architect,
कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड जो सॉफ्टवेयर की चीजें हैं, डिजाइन की चीजें हैं, वो
right?
फिर आपने जो है स्टार्ट की विद एक्सेलराई,
XLIs, right?
एक्सेलाइज किया।
So, my partner's wife is from Aurangabad. Actually, they are actually very famous doctors in Aurangabad.
अच्छा,
So we ended up setting up the center in. They always had the hopes of going back to India.
जी,
So they ended up setting Aurangabad, and that was the first time I went to Aurangabad. 2005, 2006 was the first time I ended up in Aurangabad. And Aurangabad, I immediately connected. I'm from Mysore, small town, historic town,
आई नो,
a huge Muslim population. Everything just felt right. Immediate connection with Aurangabad, right? And these days, for last 15 years, I've visited Aurangabad many more times than I actually have gone to my hometown actually. And yeah.
अगली बार पार्सल आना रहा तो आपको बोल सकते हैं, दैट्स व्हाट इन यूएस की किसी से कुरियर पार्सल मंगाना रहा औरंगाबाद से तो